kit, kit, kit. Noun. Definition: a set of articles or equipment needed for a specific purpose. Example: a first aid kit. Noun. Definition: the clothing used for an activity such as a sport. Example: boys in football kit. Noun. Definition: a large basket, box, or other container, especially for fish. Transitive verb. Definition: provide someone or something with the appropriate clothing or equipment. Example: we were all kitted out in life jackets.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.